Frankie Cheese Vintage Toy Adventures. Ooh. The Radio Shack radio controlled Ferrari 49. This is another cool find that I had at a thrift store. And I was kind of going to just do another unveiling here, or unboxing. I didn't have any luck doing the unboxing with the speakers earlier, but so we're going to just see what we got on this little bugger. Ages 6 and up, requires 4C batteries, and I happen to have 4C batteries, woot, and 2 9-volt batteries. I am not sure what year this came out, but I'm sure it came out when the Testarossa came out, which was probably, was that 87? Ferrari Testarossa? My memory serves, but this is 49 megahertz. This little kid, oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that dude he's got. Oh my goodness gracious. He's got his gator. Oh, and he has his Radio Shack watch on there. Oh, that could be a Casio, but that's probably, Radio Shack, because they were selling all the little gadgets. Who am I kidding? That was probably me back then too, wearing my Michael Jackson zipper jacket. These came in 2 variants. As a kid, I had the 27 megahertz. I had the Ferrari 27. But I couldn't pass up the price on this one. It was freaking dirt cheap. So this is the Ferrari 49. So I did open it to peek in it, but that was about it. So let's just, I haven't tested this or anything, and it looked like it was brand new. Ultra sleek, high-speed European styling with detail provides kids with hours of fast-paced excitement. This dude is he's really excited, man. Look at, he's like, hot shit, Dave. Precise radio control unit puts you behind the wheel. That's important. Durable, molded construction withstands youngsters, because you know how rough youngsters are. Well, not today's youngsters, but back then. Rough handling for non-stop fun. Ooh, all right, nothing on the bottom. I don't see a date, but I think the Testarossa was 87. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. I forgot about that. It actually has the manual. This thing is probably, I don't think this was ever played with, to tell you the truth. Maybe this is a birthday gift, and maybe some horrible tragic Christmas, who knows. Never played with this. So we got the owner's manual, Testarossa. Is that how you say it? Testarossa. So let's open her. Oh my goodness. So it tells you all about the car, how the joysticks work, or the radio control. This actually takes C cells. Now, I remember as a kid I had this, and I was able to just play with this thing for days. And the battery seemed to last a really long time. And I really loved this thing as a kid. This was probably, when I was a kid growing up, this was the first car that I had that could turn left and right. Before that, I had cars that you would back up and they would kind of turn only when you backed up and it went straight. Or had a wire connected to it. This is like my first radio control car that used a radio and can turn left and right. And it shows you what not to do. Don't drive it in the street. Okay, he's going to get hit by this. I don't know what kind of car that is. Don't drop it on the nose. Oh, don't monkey around with it with a screwdriver. Listen, if your kid's shopping at Radio Shack, he's going to monkey around with a screwdriver. It's just, you might as well just say, I'm monkey here and monkey there. Oh, and then keep it out of water, rough terrain. Keep it off thick carpet. And there's hints and tips. And here's your limited warranty. 90 days from the day of sale. It's really great stuff. And this is crisp. There's the new catchphrase. This owner's manual is crisp. That's like not a single wrinkle in it. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, that is like crispy. Super new. Look at that. That's just really nice. I don't want to play with this thing. I'm not taking this outside. I'm going to run it here in the basement. God, that thing was spring-loaded. That's probably what happened. The kid opened this up on Christmas morning. This thing whipped up, took out his eye, and, it was a disaster. Just other than a little sticker coming up on that. I don't think this car was played with. To tell you the truth, this is just really nice shape. Let's put some batteries in here and see what happens. This is going to be awesome. Awesome. I remember when I got this on Christmas morning. Holy crap. I was like one happy kid. I was so freaking happy. I got this for Christmas. Mom and Dad got me some cool stuff, huh? Oh, and a 9-volt. I should get a hold of some like Radio Shack batteries to do my Radio Shack reviews. What if you could still buy those? There are some Radio Shacks left. Let's turn it on. Holy crap, folks! This is gonna be awesome. Look at that. Let's get the battery in here. Oh, my dumbass put the battery in backwards. You see, yeah, that's freaking awesome.
I'm gonna run you over.
Look at that. A fuse is loose. It looks like we got a broken steering assembly on there. It's not turning. That could be anything. Hopefully, I'm going to take this apart and look at it. Maybe just something came loose. I hope. Oh yeah, something. Yeah, something's went loose. I don't want to drop this on the floor. I'll cry. It's one-wheel drive. Yeah, it's a one-wheel drive. So it's peeling rubber here, see? So it's not actually slow. It's just it's spinning on a slippery table. So I'm going to call this part 1. Part 2 is I'm going to open it up and see. It's kind of disappointing the steering's not working. I don't remember it making that sound as a kid. I just remember going click, click. So it's probably, hopefully, just it got dropped or something in the box and maybe an assembly came apart in there. But we'll have to tear it down, take a look at that, do a review, take it out for a test drive. But first, we'll see what's wrong with that. So for now, I'm going to say goodnight. And if you had one of these, make a comment. I can't wait to get this on the road and test it out. I don't think I'm going to abuse it too much. This one's just going to probably put it up on the shelf and enjoy it, play with it a little bit, but you know. Anyways, well, this was a review of half of a review on the Ferrari Testarossa, and maybe I should start like pre-reviewing these things before I debox them and finding out they don't work. But I am pretty confident I can get this bugger up and running. So have a good night and please subscribe.